In this video, I'll show you how to manage your tickets in tawk.to by using the open, pending, and closed statuses. These statuses are the simplest way to stay on top of customer requests. They help you see at a glance which tickets need attention, which ones are waiting for a reply, and which ones are already resolved. Instead of scrolling through old messages, you can focus only on what matters and save valuable time. To view your tickets, log into your tawk.to account and head over to the inbox. Click on the Tickets tab, and you'll see all the tickets created by agents or admins. Each one will have its status clearly marked as open, pending, or closed. You can filter tickets by status using the drop-down at the top of the column. This makes it easy to view only the tickets that are still open, the ones waiting on a visitor, or those that have been completed. Now let's go through what each status means. An open ticket signals that a request needs attention. This might be a missed chat, a ticket created from scratch, or an issue you haven't resolved yet. By default, every new ticket starts as open until you change it. A pending ticket shows that you've already replied, but you're still waiting on more information from the visitor. A closed ticket indicates that the issue has been resolved and no further action is needed. Once a ticket is closed, it stays that way unless the visitor replies again. You can change the status of a ticket while replying by clicking the arrow next to the Send button and choosing Open, Pending, or Closed. If you'd rather update it without sending a response, for example, to mark an issue as resolved, just use the Status drop-down menu on the right side of the ticket view. By managing tickets with these statuses, you can instantly see what needs action, what's waiting for the customer, and what's finished. This not only keeps your inbox organized, but also improves productivity across your team, so you spend less time searching and more time helping customers. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.